Jai Hind everyone. As you know that admissions of 2025 and 26 have been going on at Sandeep sir Doon Defense Academy. Some of the students already joined and new batches will be commenced from 19 May, 26 May onwards. Basically, I'm going to speak about the students coming from South. As you know, the different part of India, students have been coming here for the admission for all the courses, NDA, CDSE, AFCAT, OTA, Merchant Navy. This time I got a student from South here. They are from Kerala, from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. They have been doing well. DDA has been providing them the complete guidance, preparation of all the classes. Special classes has been designed especially for South Indian students. Especially today, this is the time they want to introduce themselves and want to share some experience. Okay, beta, what's your name?
My name is Hensi. I'm from Kerala, Kozhikode. Basically, I came to know about DDA through internet itself. It says that it is a very famous academy, and also I'm a very big NDA aspirant as well. So I think I can cherish my dreams through this.
Okay, good. Are you basically learning Hindi also? Just try to learn Hindi also. You will find some North Indian student will be there. Okay? So your classes, everything is comfortable?
Yes.
Are you settled down?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Lakshmi and I'm from Kerala, and I came to know about Doon Defense Academy via online, and I joined here on May 2nd, and as the classes are going on, I'm trying to learn Hindi, and yeah, the classes
Good.
are fine.
Are you satisfied with the classes?
Yes, sir.
All the classes?
All the classes, yes.
Okay, good. All the best, beta.
Hi everyone, myself M. Supachandra. I am from the state Telangana. I have got about this news about this institute through the online, and I joined this institute on 21st of April, and I am feeling very good and to get a seat in this great institute.
Okay, good. Basically, are you understanding all the classes?
Yes, sir.
There is no problem?
Yes, sir.
Are you settled down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Hi everyone, I am from Tamil Nadu. I am Pradeep. The classes were fine. I came to know that DDAs and Dehradun, my friends' recommendation. The classes were fine. They provide separate classes for South Indian students.
Okay, good. What about you?
I am Dasan. I am from Tamil Nadu. I was very sufficient and comfortable with this institute because the institute has started new classes for South Indian students, and the teachers are very good. They teach us some little bit Hindi, and they are very humble and peaceful for us.
Very good. You also basically you just came to me about asking about the Army Technical schemes.
Yes.
Are you planning to fill it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you fill up this form. Okay, when you will be shortlisted for this particular part, we'll provide the SSB here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, gentlemen.
Okay.
Okay. What about you?
I am Madhana Balan. I am from Tamil Nadu. I know this institute through online. These classes are fine. I am trying to learn Hindi also. Class may best in Dehradun is different.
Okay, good. What about you, Beta?
Sir, my name is Sandeep Krishna and I am from Kerala, and I have known this place because of my father. My father introduced me about this place, and he is an ex-serviceman, and the classes are very good. First of all, when I came here, the classes were in Hindi, and it was so difficult because I don't know Hindi. And when I asked the management, they have given us the South Indian batch, and which is very helpful. And the classes are really good. I'm getting understand everything.
So are you comfortable now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are getting everything here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What about you?
Myself, Emin, and I am from Kerala, and I came to know about DDA through online, and I hope that I can achieve my dream through DDA. And the teachers are very nice, and they are teaching it in a good manner, and all of us are able to understand everything.
Okay, good. What about you?
Good morning. My name is Shyamjit. I'm from Kerala, Kannur. So at first, DDA, I came to DDA, and it was Hindi, and there were many people, so I was not able to understand what teachers say. But after a few weeks, I went to the South Indian batch, and there are less people, so
Yes.
we can understand with better clarity things, and the teachers are very friendly to us, so we can ask any questions to them without fear, and yeah, it's best for us and good for us. So
Okay, good. You got now separate classes.
Yes, sir.
And you have been doing well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, gentlemen, what I'm telling you, just hard work, do the hard work, and prepare for your exam. I think everybody got exam in 14th September. NDA, all about NDA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but do well. Basically, as number of students have been coming here for the interviews from South India, they have learned Hindi here. Okay, and they have been taking the SSB classes all the way, physical fitness, everything. Now, basically, number of students have joined the defense forces from this place, especially for South India. Okay, gentlemen, all the best for you and good luck. Okay, and stay connected. Okay, all the best. All the best.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.